Hi guys, my name is Justin Mitchell here at MarineMax Dallas on this lovely day. I'm standing in front of this stealthy looking Harris Sunliner 230, and it is just absolutely beautiful with the black and the gray look on the side. Let's go check it out on the inside. Starting out here on the stern of the boat, we have this awesome flip down swim step right here. After a long day on the lake, this makes it a whole lot easier to climb up into the boat rather than your traditional ladder. Also, if you like to take your dog out onto the lake, this makes it really easy for that dog to be able to get in and out of the water. Coming back around here, we do have the V6 200 horsepower Merc motor. Anytime you and your friends are ready to get from A to B on the lake or cruise out to Party Cove, it will definitely get you there and back as quick as you want. And then of course here on the starboard side, we have your traditional swim ladder. Hanging out back on the stern of this boat, we got a lot going on here. We have a nice sturdy tow bar for whenever you and the kids want to go tubing, or if you feel wild and want to pull out the wakeboard. Starting over here to the side, we do have a USB and USB-C plug-in right here, so whenever you're hanging out on the back, enjoying the view, you can always keep your phone charged and make sure you're recording all those memories you're making with the family. Down here in the corner, we do have a transom remote for your radio, so as you're hanging out swimming off the back of the boat, you can always pump up the tunes or turn them down or skip that song your buddy queued up that you don't like. And then of course, you always will have your fenders out here just ready to go. They're always just ready to grab. They do have these connectors on it where you can pre-tie them, get that right set to the height, and makes it just quick and easy whenever you're at the dock. And then of course, under the seats, on this side, on the port side, we have a built-in cooler that does have a plug in there, so that way you can keep all that melted ice around the drinks, keep them nice and frosty. And then of course, underneath here, we do just have a massive amount of storage, which right now is containing the rest of the fenders that do have those pre-tight clips on them. On this massive boat, clearly there's enough room for all of your friends, but to make sure everyone enjoys the day, we do have a double bimini on this guy that does extend the entire length of the boat to keep everyone in shade, so that way everyone can enjoy the entire day on the lake. Looking back here, we do have a forward-facing seat, but with a quick lift and pull, that can become a rear-facing seat, or even if you pull down enough, just a nice little bunny pad where if everyone wants to lay out and get some sun, you can enjoy that. Moving on up into the helm here, we do have an awesome Simrad screen that will give you all the live looks at the bottom of the lake. If you are a fisherman, that will be very helpful. And then of course, this boat is equipped with a beautiful JL sound system that is ready to rock any Party Cove or Party Island on the lake. Moving on up into here, every seat you see opens up and has massive amounts of storage underneath. And then of course, we do have some center storage right here in the middle as well. And that is going to be your Sunliner 230. My name is Justin Mitchell here at MarineMax Dallas. Come check it out and ask for me, and I'd love to show you this boat.